Okay, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you this morning?
I'm
Fine, thank
I'm good,
you.
ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, good. Already, all students are here, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Uni absent.
Uni, why Uni?
Hey,
Where is Uni? Hey,
How?
how are you, Uni?
I'm here. I'm fine,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you. How about you?
I'm fine too. How about Waseng? Waseng, where is Waseng? Are you here?
I'm here.
Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Everybody is here. Okay. Now, before we start, who is the captain of the class? Who is the captain of the class?
Welcome, ma'am.
Kaptennya siapa? Ketua kelasnya siapa?
Yopi.
Oh, Yopi.
Yopi.
Yopi, please let your friend to pray to the God. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, class. Before we are going to study, let's pray together before study. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni as'aluka rizqan thayyiban wa ilman nafi'an wa amalan mutaqabbalan. Amin.
Amin ya robbal alamin.
Thank you to Yopi ya. Okay, now before we start, now I want Uni to let your friend to sing sorak-sorak bergembira. Do you know the song?
No.
No? Did you know the song sorak-sorak bergembira?
Gembira. Hafal nggak ya?
Okay. Please, Uni.
Ma'am, yang lain aja. Saya kurang hafal lagu itu.
Wah, tidak hafal. Oke.
Kami ikut Miss saja.
Oke. Halo-halo Bandung? How about
Ya.
halo-halo Bandung? Bisa? Oke. Oke. Uni, please let your friend.
Aduh, apa?
Halo-halo Bandung. Halo Bandung, like that.
Iya, ya.
Come on. Come on, Uni.
Don't be shy. I know you can do it.
Where's Uni? I can hear your voice, Uni. Uni? Where's Uni? How about Tihawa? Tihawa, please. Please
Okay.
help me. Okay.
I will to try.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Halo. Halo Bandung. Ibu kota belangan. Halo. Halo Bandung. Kota kemenangan. Sudah lama beda.
Tidak berjumpa dengan kau.
Sekarang telah menjadi lautan api, mari rebut kembali.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Okay. How about, do you know the virus COVID-19? Do you know it?
Yes, Mom.
Yeah, it still happen in our country. So we have to keep our community, our immunity, immunity. Kita harus jaga imun tubuh. Prokes, five aspect. Do you know that? Kalian tahu itu apa saja?
Wash your hands.
Yeah, wash our hand. What else? What else?
Apply your mask.
Yeah, good. No, Granny.
Keep distancing.
Yeah, keep distancing. What else? What else?
What else, class?
Don't forget,
What else?
Miss.
Oh, you forget
Stay
it.
Stay
away
away from
Stay
crowd.
away from the
from the
crowd.
crowd.
And don't forget to eat the food, the healthy food.
Healthy
Yeah,
food.
right?
And
Did you have you have your breakfast this morning?
not
Yeah.
yet,
No,
Miss.
no,
Yes,
ma'am.
not yet. You have to have your breakfast in time, ya. Jadi untuk menjaga imun tubuh, kalian harus makan makanan yang sehat dan juga tidak terlambat makannya. Oke.
Oke, Miss.
Now hari ini kita akan belajar, ya. Kita akan mulai pembelajaran kita pada hari ini, ya. Oke, wait. Okay, can you can see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Today we are going to learn about procedure text. Ya, mengapa kita harus belajar tentang procedure text? Di sini kita akan belajar procedure text supaya kalian bisa mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan melalui pengamatan video teks prosedur, lisan pendek dan sederhana terkait dengan resep makanan. Kemudian juga kalian harus nantinya setelah pembelajaran ini, kalian bisa membandingkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, unsur kebahasaan melalui pemahaman teks prosedur yang lisan pendek sederhana terkait dengan resep makanan yang telah dipelajari secara kolaboratif, ya. Jadi nanti berkelompok, ya. Dan yang terakhir, setelah pembelajaran ini kalian bisa menyusun langkah-langkah teks prosedur terkait makanan melalui pemahaman teks. Oke, students. Now, sekarang untuk memulainya, saya punya teman. Dia ingin sekali membuat jam sandwich, tapi kita nggak tahu, dia tidak tahu bagaimana caranya membuat. Ada yang bisa menjelaskannya? Jam sandwich? Ada yang bisa menjelaskan how to make jam sandwich?
No, ma'am.
No? Wah, how poor I am. Oke. Jika kalian tidak ada yang bisa, maka kita akan lihat video yang berikut ini, ya. Semoga dengan menonton ini, kalian bisa tahu how to make jam sandwich.
Today, we are making jam sandwich. Wash hands. What I use: 1 plate, 1 knife. What I need: 2 slices bread, jam. Let's start cooking.
Suaranya nggak ada, ma'am.
Hah? Suaranya tidak ada?
Open bag.
Tidak ada ya suaranya, ya?
Put 2 slices of bread on the plate.
Kalian tidak bisa dengar?
Iya, Bu.
Itu madam, sebelum di share screen, diklik itunya juga, share audio komputer. Diulang
Oke,
lagi,
wait.
madam.
Oke, thank you. I will try. Wait. Please wait.
clothes bag. Today, we are making jam sandwich.
Terdengar sedikit tapi nggak apa-apa, udah terlihat.
Terdengar sedikit ya?
Iya.
Kita repeat ya from the beginning ya.
Oke.
Yes, ma'am.
Today, we are making jam sandwich. Wash hands. One knife. What I need: 2 slices bread, jam. Let's start cooking. Take off tab. Open bag. Take out bread. Put 2 slices of bread on plate. Bread jam on 1 slice. All spread. Scoop jam with knife. Spread jam on other slice of bread. All spread. Make sandwich. Cut sandwich in half with knife. All cut. Eat and enjoy.
Okay, everyone. That's the way how to make what we are making in the video. Can you tell me, everyone?
Sandwich?
Yeah, sandwich. Yeah,
Jam sandwich.
yeah, jam sandwich.
Yeah, jam sandwich.
Jam sandwich. Okay, before we learn, I will share the LKPD for you, yeah, to answer and to practice the lesson. Okay, wait. Okay, now can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are on your screen? Can you help me to read it? Bisa bantu saya baca?
How
to make omelette.
How to make an omelette.
No, this one. Let's
Study procedure text.
Let's study.
Procedure text. After you watching the video, yeah, the video, answer the question below. What is the purpose of the text? What is the purpose of watching the video? Do you know? Apakah kalian tahu apa tujuan kita setelah menonton tadi itu apa yang kita dapat?
Bisa masak,
Membuat
Bisa
sandwich.
masak. Iya, betul sekali ya. Bisa masak, bisa membuat sandwich yang paling penting. Oke, apakah kalian menyimak? What are the tools that we need to make jam sandwich?
Knife.
Knife, good. What else?
Plate.
Plate. Okay, just 2 tools that we need to make jam sandwich. And now, what are the ingredients to make jam sandwich?
Jam.
Jam,
Bread maybe?
Bread.
Bread. Okay, good. Good, Uni. Now,
Thank you.
okay. I want to ask Waseng. Waseng, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Waseng, do you like to eat jam sandwich?
Actually, no.
No. Okay, it's okay. Yeah. So
No.
what is your favorite food, Waseng?
Meatball.
Meatball, same as me. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Someday we go to have meatball together. Okay, Waseng?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I will divide you into the group. Okay. I choose maybe Yopi and Yuni to be one group. Yeah.
Yes. Again.
Okay. Nugraini with Tihawa and Rini and Waseng. Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you have to look your LKPD, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have to answer, and before answer you have to observe, you have to look at the text there. Okay, class, please walk with your partner.
Okay.
Jangan lama-lama ya untuk berdiskusi ya. Okay, text 1 we have omelette, ya. We have omelette there. And text 2 we have fried rice. You have to discuss with your partner task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, and task 5, right? Task 5 with another text. Have you finished, class?
Not yet, Mom.
Not yet.
Not
Okay.
yet, ma'am.
Okay. Do you find the difficulties? May I help you? May I help you? If you find the difficulties word, you can check on your dictionary. Yeah, you have to bring dictionary every English lesson. Okay, the time is up. Can we discuss now?
Yes,
Can we discuss?
yes.
Oh, already sleepy here, right? Are you sleepy now?
No, I'm
No?
here.
A little, ma'am. A
Little
bit.
sleepy? Little sleepy? Why sleepy Rini? Jangan mengantuk ya. Makan apa tadi sampai mengantuk jam segini? Kita harus semangat ya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's discuss task 1. Okay? Kita discuss ya, task 1 ya. Okay, now group 1. Group 1, Yuni and Yopi. Can you answer? What is the social function of the text?
Okay.
Text 1 for omelette ya, and text 2 fried rice.
Fried rice. Okay.
Yeah.
Text 1 is how to make an omelette, and text 2 how to make fried rice.
Okay, how about the other group? Do you agree with Unisensa?
Yes, I'm
Yes,
agree.
Mom.
Yes, ya. Can see again ya, kita bisa lihat lagi. Nah, di sini dijelaskan how to make an omelet. Jadi social function itu artinya how to apa sih purpose-nya, tujuannya, how to make. Jadi teks ini bertujuan untuk ya how menjelaskan the way how to make an omelet. Okay, good Yuni, thank you.
Thank you.
Now,
You're welcome.
We move to another task. Now, task 2. We are waiting for group 2. Group 2, Nugreni and Tihawa. Can you answer the task 2 about the imperative which is used in those tasks? Kalian tahu imperative verb?
Imperatif kata kerja ya. Kata
Ya,
perintah.
kata kerja, kata perintah di text 2 and text 1 and text 2. Kalau kalian belum tahu, yang belum tahu, lihat di sini ya. Kita lihat di sini. Oke. Bisa lihat screen saya? Bisa dilihat di screen di situ ada penjelasannya tentang text 1? Ya. Oke. Can you mention the imperative verb? Can you
Text
mention?
1,
Ya,
cut,
text 1. Cut. Oke, good. Cut.
break,
Break. Okay, good. What else?
put,
Put. Right.
mix,
Next. Mix. Okay, good.
hit. Is
Yeah.
it right? Hit,
Hit. Yeah. Good, good. Now,
pour,
pour. Good. What else?
lift,
Leave. Okay, good. Thank you, Nugraini. Now, ya, untuk yang lain yang mungkin belum tahu imperative verb, ya kalian bisa mencocokkan ya dengan jawaban temannya. Itu tadi Nugraini sudah benar ya. Imperative verb itu adalah kata kerja ya yang ada di dalam teks ini. Jadi cut, ya, break, put, mix. Oke.
Mem, permisi ya, saya mau ke kamar mandi.
Oke, I will waiting for you, Rinia. Hati-hati ya, Rinia. Oke, now kita balik ke text 2 ya. Kita ke text 2 sekarang. Text 2 tadi tentang how to make fried rice. Oke, now Tihawa. Tihawa, can you mention about the imperative verb on the text 2? Kalau tadi text 1 udah ya. Jadi sekarang text 2 kalian bisa dong menjawabnya. Tihawa, are you here? Hello?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, I will wait.
Show the task too.
Okay. Wait. I will show for you, ya. Wait, ya.
Thank you. Belum, Miss.
Okay, I will show you the wait. I will show you the text 2.
Text 2.
Yeah. Just wait. Okay, this one.
Okay.
Can you see my screen? Tihawa?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you mention the imperative verb?
Okay. The first one, shop.
Job. Okay. Cop ya. Cop.
The second, a cup. Cop,
Cop.
Miss. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. The
Uh-huh.
second one, hit.
Hit. Okay, good. What else?
The third, put.
Yeah, put. What else? Apa lagi?
Next, add. Put sudah.
Aha, apa lagi?
Put
Apa lagi?
first, continue frying, miss. Okay. I think that's Miss.
Ya?
Ma'am, I wanna try.
Ya. Who are you? Siapa ya itu ya?
Yuni.
Oh ya, Yuni. Oke.
Okay.
Oke, please
Yeah.
Yun.
Okay. Add, put,
Aha.
and fry, mix.
Fry, mix, and also
Put.
put. Oke, ya. Sampai di sini ada yang belum mengerti? Do you get my point?
Yes.
Ya? Oke. Very good. Now, we move to task 3 ya. Okay, now task 3. Write down the conjunctive. Do you know conjunctive? Ada yang tahu
Yes,
conjunctive?
ma'am.
Ada yang tahu? Apa itu
Kata
conjunctive?
sambung.
Kata
Ma'am.
sambung. Kata sambung. Iya, oke. Rini, pintar sekali Rini ya. Coba, Rini bisa nggak bantu Miss nih menjawab apa sih conjunctive di teks 1? Bisa nggak?
Me, ma'am.
Iya.
Waseng, ma'am.
Oh, Waseng. Okay, come on please, Waseng.
I'll try.
Yeah, you.
The conjunctive is firstly,
Firstly,
second,
second,
third,
third. What else? Apa lagi? Finally. Ada lagi? Ada lagi? Then, good.
After that,
yeah, very good.
I think
Next,
that's all, ma'am.
yeah, very good, Waseng. You are
Thank you, ma'am.
good student. Now
Thank you.
we observe on the text 2. Siapa yang belum ngomong ya dari tadi? Ini Yopi kayaknya belum ngomong dari tadi ya.
Ini.
Yopi ada Yopi. Where are you Yopi?
Iya, ma'am.
Yopi tidur?
Ada,
Yopi
ma'am.
tidur? Yopi
Ada.
the only one boy ya? The
Iya.
only one. Okay.
Iya, ma'am.
Yopi, can you mention the conjunctive for text 2? Tadi sudah dicontohkan ya sama si Waseng ya untuk text 1-nya. Now text 2-nya. Your turn now.
Second, heat vegetable oil and frying pan.
Is that right?
No.
Oh.
Miss,
Salah lagi.
can I have your pee?
Yeah.
Can I have your pee?
Sorry, I don't understand. What do you say?
I want to have your pee. Answer.
Oh, Yopi. Oh, yeah. You are very kind friend. You want to help him. Okay. Now, let's help Yopi.
The word first, second,
yeah.
third, fourth,
What?
fifth,
Yeah.
sixth, finally.
Wey, very good ya.
Thank
Yopi,
you.
ya, Yopi
Stella.
jangan tidur ya di kelas ya. Jadi ya, you have to pay attention to your friends answer. Jadi kalau misalnya nyuruh temennya yang lain, jadi Yopi jangan tidur di situ ya. Jangan berpikir kalau sudah dia kita nggak usah mikirin. Ya nggak boleh gitu ya. Harus
Iya, ma'am.
perhatikan juga. Nanti kalau menjawab pertanyaannya individually sendiri-sendiri, Yopi nggak akan bisa ya. Oke.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ya, thank you ya Tihawa. Thank you
You are
Yopi.
welcome, Miss.
Okay. Now we move to task Foya. Okay. Who wants to answer? Who wants to mention the structure of the text? Do you know structure? Structure? Do you know structure? Ada yang tahu apa itu structure?
Struktur, aturan ya,
Struktur.
Mem.
Betul, struktur. Struktur, ya, struktur. Kalian tahu struktur?
Berarti ada
Susunan.
aturan.
Ya, that's good. Susunan, ya, struktur, susunan. Oke, kalau untuk procedure text, ya, susunannya bagaimana? Structure of the text.
The step.
Apa yang pertama di sini? What is the first structure for the procedure text on text 1?
The title, ma'am, maybe.
Ya, Waseng? Waseng?
Oh,
Goal, ya, goal. Ya, the first one is goal. Oke, coba dilihat dulu. Goal di sini yang mana sih? Yang mana sih? Kira-kira kalau ada temannya yang masih belum mengerti, jadi kita
how
tunjukkan
to
dulu.
make
Goalnya
an
yang mana?
omelet.
Yeah, very good. Goalnya yang ini ya. How to make an omelette. Very good.
Yeah.
Now, apalagi stepnya? Apalagi structure-nya? Susunannya?
Ingredient.
Very good. Ingredients. The next one
Yeah,
is
Who answered that, Miss?
Langkah-langkah. Tool.
tools dulu ya, tools dulu. Disebutin tools dulu. Tools, after that, the last one is?
Step.
Ya. Oke, yang belum boleh ditulis ya di situ ya. Yang belum boleh ditulis di situ, mungkin belum mengerti, tadi belum bisa. Silahkan kalian tulis di situ, dijawab di situ. Apa saja structure of the procedure text in text 1. Okay. Now, untuk text 2. Text 2. Apa saja di situ structure-nya?
How to make fried rice.
Ya, how to make fried rice itu apanya itu? Bagian apanya?
Judul.
Judul,
Title.
title,
Aim or goal.
goal ya. Kalau untuk procedure text ya, title itu di situ mengandung goalnya, mengandung tujuannya ya. Ada di sana how to make fried rice. Oke, itu yang pertama, first one, goal. The second one, apa lagi untuk structure-nya?
Ingredient.
Ya, ingredients. And the last one, apa ya?
Tools.
Oh, bukan last one ya. Ya, another one ya. Tools. And the last one is?
Step.
Ya, step ya. Jadi, Yuni, can you repeat once again? What is the structure of procedure text? Yuni, where are you?
Goal, ingredients, tools,
Ingredients.
and steps.
Wow, very good ya.
Thank
Very
you.
good. Okay, now the last task ya. Yang berikutnya, I have another text. Saya punya satu teks lagi nih. Ya, you have to arrange the step, only the step. Di sini sudah tercantum ingredients, choose. Oke, before we rearrange the steps, kita susun kembali. I want to ask you. Ya, I want to ask Rini. Where are you, Rini? Can you hear my voice, Rini?
She is permission. Last
Oh
time.
yeah. Oh, sorry, I forget it. Okay, thank you, Tihawa. Thank you. Waseng.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm
Waseng,
here.
can you tell us what is the goal? What is the goal of this text? Text 2.
How to make a soup, ma'am.
Yeah, that's good. How to make soup. Yeah. Okay, now your turn to rearrange the jumble steps into correct order. Jadi di sini ini susunannya belum benar ya. The wrong step ya. Jadi
Oke.
kalian harus mengarrange dulu, menyusun kembali bagaimana sih susunan yang benar cara membuat sup. Pernah buat sup di rumah?
Pernah.
Pernah. Berarti kalian bisa tahu ya how to make it. Bisa dilihat di sini. Siapa yang mau menjawab? Who wants to be volunteer to mention the first step? Siapa
Waseng,
yang mau
Mom.
jawab? Waseng. Oke.
I'll try.
Ya.
First, number 4, Mom.
Number
Yes.
4. Can you read it?
First, peel potato, garlic, cauliflower, carrot, and meatball with knife. Then cut into pieces.
Yay, very good. Ya. First,
Thank you, Mom.
peel potato, garlic, cauliflower, carrot, meatball with knife, then cut into pieces. Okay, the next step. Who wants to be volunteer? Step berikutnya. Siapa mau melanjutkan? Who wants to be continue? Who wants to continue? Tihawa?
Number 1, Miss.
Number 1.
Next, watch 5 until 7 minutes.
Okay. Do you agree with Tihawa's answer? Maybe.
No.
Huh? Nugreni, do you agree? Nugreni, are you here?
Ma'am. I
Yeah.
can hear Tihawa's voice.
Oh, you can hear Tihawa voice. Who here? Who have heard? Who have heard the Tihawa's answer just now? Siapa
Can you,
tadi dengar?
can you repeat, Tihawa?
Ah,
Okay.
What is your answer?
yeah.
I choose number 1. Do second answer.
Choose one, number 1. Yeah.
Answer
Okay.
number 2.
I don't
Next.
agree.
Yeah. How about you, Ni?
I disagree.
Disagree? Why?
Yeah.
Can you tell me why?
I think the second number, the second step is
Yeah.
number 5.
Number 5.
Yes.
What is it? What is it? Can you
Second,
read it?
grab
Yeah.
a frying pan and cooking oil. Enter the garlic and salt until fragrant.
Okay.
Yay.
Another friends? Yopi? Belum apa-apa Yopi. Belum apa-apa Yopi. Yopi
No.
ketahuan ya.
Yopi is my group.
Oh.
Yeah.
So to be supporter. Your support.
Yes.
I support.
Oh, yeah.
Because
Okay.
she's beautiful, ma'am.
Oh.
I support her.
Yeah. Yuni is very beautiful, yeah.
Oh,
And Yopi falling in love, right?
Yeah.
Wah. Falling in love in friend ya, Yopi ya. Tidak boleh
Iya.
pacaran dulu ya, Yopi.
iya, masih sekolah.
Iya masih sekolah, Yopi. Masih ini kan putih biru, putih biru.
Putih abu-abu.
Oke.
No.
Oke, yang lain, nah, kelompok lain, another group. Are you agree? Do you agree about Yunis answer?
Yes, Mom.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yeah, the second step is number 5. Second, grab a frying pan and cooking oil, enter the garlic and salt until fragrant. Okay, good pronunciation, Yuni. Thank you. Now,
You're welcome.
the next step. Who wants to answer? Nugraini, Mubi?
Waseng Miss didn't answer anything.
Oh, Waseng dari tadi sudah jawab.
I'm the first one, Yopi.
Oh. Okay, Nugraini, maybe you can answer the next step. Hello, Nugraini.
Me, Miss.
Oh ya, Tihawa. Okay. Tihawa, please.
Third,
Chat.
I choose number 2.
Okay, can you read it? Can you read it?
Third, take a pot and put enough water.
Very good. Yeah. Third, take a pot and put enough water. How about the next step? Siapa bisa menjawab? Next step. Come on, please.
Ayo Yopi.
Ini, Ma'am.
Miss.
Yopi, coba Yopi. Yopi.
Next step ya.
Ya.
Oh,
Next
ini
step.
kasih tahu aku dong Yun.
Nomor
Kasih
6,
tahu
nomor
aku
6,
dong.
6.
Kok nomor 6 ya?
6, ya.
6.
Bang.
Nggak ada nomor 6 ini. Kok
Ayo,
nggak ada nomor 6 ya, madam?
Ini ya, sorry ya. Ini saya ini ya, Miss-nya salah tulis ya. Ini.
Tapi di LKPD-nya bener kok, Mem.
Oke, very good. Ya,
Berarti nomor
kan
6 ya.
udah itu ya. Oh, berarti Yopi nggak lihat LKPD ini.
Iya.
Yopi, apa yang dilihat Yopi? Yuni ya?
Anomaly.
Yuni yang lihat.
Jujur nggak Miss, jadi malu.
Ya boleh
Iya,
jujur ya kan?
Yopi dari tadi
Aku
lihat
lihat
kamus
Yuni terus
aja,
juga,
Mem.
nggak lihat LKPD.
Oh, lihat kamus, bawa
Lihat
kamus ya?
kamus. Jadi
Bawa kamus ya,
saya
Yopi
yang
ya?
nulis, baca, iya.
Oh,
Jadi
ya.
kita nggak perhatiin.
Sangat kerjasama ya, bagus. Kalau
Ya.
di grup memang kita harus collaboration ya.
Iya,
Oke.
Mem.
Iya, Bis.
Coba
Ya,
dijawab
yang-
Yopi. Coba dijawab. Hah?
Then enter the potato, garlic, cauliflower,
Cauliflower.
cauliflower, carrot, and meatball.
Hah?
Don't forget, give the pepper and salt. Is it correct, madam?
How about Waseng? Waseng, can you help me? Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, Ma'am. I think
Yes?
it's correct.
Yeah.
Yeay.
Okay. Good Yopi. Good boy.
Good boy. Now
Yeah.
I'm good boy. Hooray.
Good boy. The only good boy, ya. Okay. Okay, the next apa lagi? Step yang mana lagi kita belum?
Number 1.
Number 1. Benarkah? Is it right? Benarkah? Yang itu?
Next. White 5.
5
Until
until?
7 minutes.
Okay. Next, wait 5 until 7 minutes. The last one. The last one. Who can
Number
answer?
3.
It must be number 3.
Yeah, it must be
Finally.
finally. Oke. Nah, di sini apa sih kata kuncinya? What is the key of the or the clue when we arrange the step in procedure text? Ada yang bisa tahu caranya kita untuk menyusun procedure text ini? Kata kuncinya apa?
Mungkin dengan melihat conjunction-nya, Miss.
Wih, good. Good, Waseng. Kita harus lihat konjunktifnya ya. Konjunktif ya. Kita harus lihat konjunktifnya. Kata sambungnya di situ. Jadi, first, second, third. Setelah third apa ya? Ada yang bisa bantu?
Third,
Then,
Setelah third, apakah kalian masih ingat?
Then.
Ordinal number masih ingat?
third, fourth,
Fourth.
fifth,
Iya, iya.
Seven.
Jadi di situ kalau sebenarnya kalau ditulis dengan angka, jadi 1 terus di atasnya itu ST kayak gitu ya. Apakah kalian masih ingat ini pelajaran waktu kelas 7 ya? Jadi kalian harus terus mengingat karena ini akan terus berlanjut ya.
Tapi ini apa masih sepi ya?
Oke. Now, setelah tadi kita sudah mengerjakan teks task 1, task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, and arrange. Apakah kita bisa menyimpulkan? Can we conclude, make a conclusion? Bisakah kita membuat kesimpulan dari apa yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini?
How to make procedure text, ma'am?
Ya, the social function, social functionnya apa?
How to make something.
to make.
How to make ya, how to make ya. Kalau di sini how to make something food ya, untuk yang suka
Yeah.
masak. Oke. Jadi the social
Yeah.
function
To give
is
instructions.
ya,
To give instructions.
giving
to
instruction
explain
bisa.
How
Yeah.
to make something.
Yeah.
Oke, good. Ya, itu boleh. Ya, it might be giving instruction to making food. Bisa kok. Ya, oke. Nah, kalau untuk imperative verbnya, apa yang biasanya dipakai? The example of imperative verb on the
Food.
procedure text. Food.
Food,
Ya.
mix,
What else?
fry,
Apa?
fry.
Apa lagi? Fry. Good ya. Oke, sekali lagi. Masih ingat nggak tadi the structure of the text? Apa tadi?
The
Goal.
goal,
Apalagi?
ingredient,
Ingredient. To.
And step.
Step. Ya. Jadi itu kita sudah pelajari hari ini tentang procedure text, how to make something, how to make food di sini ya. Oke, do you get my point, student? Do you understand so far?
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ya.
ma'am.
Oke, mudah-mudahan kalian memang sudah mengerti ya. Yopi, do you understand?
Insya Allah, ma'am.
Oke, very
If I don't understand, I will ask to siapa di sini yang paling pintar aja, ma'am.
Yuni.
I will ask Yuni. Oke.
Rini is
Ya.
good.
Ya,
Yuni is a
jika
star
kalian
of
masih
class.
belum mengerti, ada hal-hal yang belum bisa kalian mengerti, kalian bisa tanya pada teman kalian, atau kalau kalian tidak bisa juga menemukan jawabannya, you can consult with me, oke?
Oke.
Students, untuk minggu depan ya, for the next meeting, we can you have to prepare, we will study about how to make drink ya, how to make drink. Kalau yang tadi kita membuat makanan, jadi minggu depan kita akan belajar how to make some drink ya. Jadi kalau udah ada makanannya biar ada minumannya juga gitu ya. Oke ya, students, do you get my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Oke, now karena tadi Yopi ya yang open pray with the pray. Now Yopi also close with the pray. Yeah, thanks to the God, our lesson today run smoothly.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, class. Because the time is out, learning with Miss Josephine. Now we will go home. Before we go home, let's pray after study. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma arinal haqqa haqqa warzuqna ittiba'ah wa arinal batila batila warzuqna ijtinabah. Amin. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you Yopi. Thank you everyone here. Kita sudah belajar hari ini. Thank you to the God ya. Jadi kita bisa belajar hari ini dan mudah-mudahan kita bisa ketemu lagi next meeting. Okay, I think that's all for today. Goodbye everyone.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Miss.